grew up in the West Side together. Gerald, you know, he's a couple years older than me, but we grew up in the West Side together. And like Gerald said in the beginning, he went to prison for I think 10 years, and he was labeled one of the worst in that 2013 roundup. And Gerald had hit me one day on Facebook, and because I was posting what I was doing in real estate, and he was showing his interest. And I told him, I said, hey, you know what? I'm gonna send you this book I just finished reading. So I sent him a book, and well, I think I sent you like 3 books. I sent him three books, and then we talked like a week later. He's like, oh yeah, I already read all of them. I was like, 3 books in a week. I was like, okay, for real. So you know, we just kept, you know, and then kept in contact. And when he got released, I told him, I said, look, now you got the book knowledge. Now let's go around some of my projects so you can kind of see what the book knowledge and put it with, you know, the hands-on. So
that a lot of times young men who don't have those opportunities, you know, sometimes that turns into crime, and that turns into, you know, to things, you know, that they do. But having a quality job, having these type of connections can really change your life.
Right, and I'll piggyback off what you just said. Having a quality job.
Quality.
I don't know if y'all know how it works. Like when you get released back into civilization from the penitentiary, you got to go to a halfway house. You got 2 weeks to find a job. So under those circumstances, if you got 2 weeks to find a job, what you gonna do? You're gonna take the first thing available. So you're not even fulfilled. So now you working a job, just trying to survive. It's only a matter of time before, you know, you thinking you're gonna go back, playing both sides of the fence, trying to get your money, you know, trying to get some real money. But what if like we have this already in place to where they already, when they're in the penitentiary, it's like, oh, when I get out, I'm going to the construction career center. That's my first stop.